Hi, so this session is for those who are aspiring for the CAPF 2020 exam, right? So many of you might have appeared for the CDS 2020 exam yesterday, and you can see the kind of questions, the fluctuations which are nowadays prevalent in the UPSC exam, right? So to be ready for this kind of uncertainties, right, which we are actually, we also feel that there are some questions in the paper were quite unexpected as well. So let's move on for the CAPF, right? So as you all are aware of the pattern and what kind of setup in the CAPF paper is, paper 1 and paper 2, right? So paper 1 you might be prepared with at this moment of time, right? So it's hardly 1 month away, your CAPF exam, and more or less you have prepared for CDS. That means ki 90% of the first paper is already done by you. You need to be ready for some kind of reasoning or logical questions or mathematical questions, quantitative type questions for the paper 1. Otherwise it's more or less okay for the paper 1. So many of the students who are worried, or you can say that who actually think of the paper 2, because nowadays students don't have the writing skills, because majority of exam which you actually tackle and which actually are being conducted apart from the civil services are MCQ exam. So writing skills are becoming more and more obsolete these days, right? So using pen and paper and writing the complete number of words mentioned in the examination, or you can say with the good vocab, because every line and the word matters. If the limitation is there that you have to complete that particular discussion, essay, precise arguments within stipulated time as well as within the given number of the word ambit, right? So we have come up with the scheme for the paper 2. So this is exclusive for paper 2. We don't think that there is anything else required for paper 1. Whatever you are doing for paper 1 is good enough, and there are a lot of sources available for paper 1. So those who are worried for paper 2, right, you just want to have a quick evaluation. Let's suppose you find some topics of for the essay, or some statements for the arguments, or maybe some comprehension for the precise kind of questions, right? And if you have written something, if you have done your homework and you wanted to get it evaluated, आप चेक करवाना चाहते हैं, आपको लगता है कि नहीं पता नहीं जो मैंने लिखा है क्या वो really in context है या out of context है, tentatively how much marks we are going to get, right? So if you want to get it checked, right, of course from any UPSC qualified candidate, right? So this is an option for you, which is the combat course, right? That is, combat means you are pretty aware of this word. It will come frequently during this plan, right? So what is this? So this is exclusive for paper 2, in which we will have the test series. So this is a test series plan, point number 1, and the paper will consist of these major 4 portions. Although CAPF paper 2 has, apart from this, you have some grammatical questions, correcting the sentences or writing sentences from the given words, which grammatical portion you might have done for the CDS as well. तो more or less वही चीज है, उसमें हम effort कम मारेंगे. Our focus is that we will give you around 4 tests for this, and apart from 4 we'll have 1 full syllabus test for, or full paper pattern test for the paper 2 in the CAPF. So we'll forward you this question paper, right? You will submit your answer within the time duration, or maybe I will give you, let's suppose for the next 7 hours you can utilize your time for the let's suppose 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever, or whenever you feel comfortable, and you are submitting your answers, right? Whatever you have written in exam, if the question was same in exam, we will get it evaluated. Now, like if suppose there is option, they will give you 6 essay topics, and they are asking you out of 6 you have to do 4 questions, right? And 300 के करीब words का limit होता है, right? तो आपको within time or within words लिखने होते हैं. The argument section in favor or against, that is, there will be 2. Here we don't have any option. There is no option in these things. In essay you have the options, right? तो आप इसका आंसर सबमिट करेंगे, and I will evaluate that paper, right? When you will submit, we'll be evaluating that. We'll be putting the marks along with the suggestion, you can say, the remarks, you can say, the inputs, you can say that okay, this should be, if the essay is in context or completely out of context. I'm telling you that, let's suppose in the last year we gave a topic that modernization of Indian armed forces. Now, out in that topic, many of the students actually written modernization of Indian army, right? So its topic was modernization of Indian armed forces, not army. You have to mention air force as well as the navy, right, including the coast guards as well. आप सारा कुछ नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा ना, आप सिर्फ इंडियन आर्मी लिखोगे, होविटजर लिखोगे, यू नो लाइट मशीन गन्स लिखोगे, ये मिसाइल वो मिसाइल, इट डजंट वर्क, राइट? इट्स नॉट द फैक्ट टेस्ट, राइट? तो यू हैव टू बी रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक. नाउ सो कॉपी विल बी इवैल्यूएटेड within the 3 days of the test. Let's suppose test is conducted on 16th of November, right? So you will be getting your feedback as well as copy evaluated by 18th or 19th morning, right? So that is within 3 days of the test. And the best thing is that you will have one-to-one Skype discussion, right? You will have a discussion with me Skype pe, right? We'll have a video call and we'll discuss, okay, you can improve this way and this was the mistake, and whatever I feel from my side, whatever input I can share, I will be sharing with you for with your paper. आपके पास भी पेपर होगा, मेरे पास भी होगा, आप भी अपना आंसर देख सकते हो, मैं भी देख सकता हूँ, then we'll discuss, right? Feedback, right? So okay, let's suppose in a particular question of 20 marks of essay, your marks is around, let's suppose I have given you 4.5. So why 4.5? Why not it was 12? The ideal score is 13 plus, right? If you are doing good, it's too good, which is difficult to score, right? So feedback actually works. Okay, so this is the pattern. The paper will consist of these 4 portions. How many tests? 4 tests consisting of this and 1 full syllabus. Why 4 tests? Because we have around 1 month left, so at least एक टेस्ट को चेक करने में भी 2-3 दिन लगते हैं if we have the 10 to 12 students, right? तो वो करना पड़ेगा अपने को थोड़ा जेन्युइन करने के लिए टाइम लगता है कॉपी चेक करना. आई डोंट नीड कि चलो कुछ भी मार्क्स दे दो या किसी कोचिंग के बच्चे को दे दिया कि हाँ भाई चेक कर दो. It's not, it doesn't works like that. Okay, so 4 plus 1 for the paper 2, that is going to benefit you, and we'll be trying to share some quality points so that which you can quote upon in your answers, in which you say that, which we actually say that value added points, right? Because you should know that even in essay, whether it's in essay or you can say that the arguments, the line matters. Let's suppose I give you a topic of the recent one, let's suppose some contemporary topics like let's suppose the Jammu Kashmir issue, or you can say something else, and you are writing no, it is very important for country or XYZ. These are not going to give you marks. You have to use good vocab, and for that, let's suppose you are following the Yojana magazine, that's good. There are the lines which are mentioned in this, especially the articles, the lead article of the Yojana magazine, which is generally written by the secretaries, which अगर आप secretaries के या कोई भी कैबिनेट मीटिंग का रिपोर्ट वो कोट्स देखते हैं ना, माइन्यूट्स, तो आपको लगेगा कि इस एक लाइन में बहुत कुछ बोला गया है. Whenever the ministry presents its report, try to go through that. Economic Survey of India, try to put out the line and put it in your answer. That is going to help you. This line actually matters. Try to use these things in your answers, right? So overall, the cost of the course, this 4 test plus 1 4-part test plus 1 full test, we have kept it at 1400, right? Because checking actually takes a lot of effort, and maximum we are going to have around maximum up to 10 to 12 students will be there, right? This is what we expect right now at this moment, because ज़्यादातर बच्चे पेपर 1 पे ध्यान देते हैं, पेपर 2 पे वो ध्यान नहीं देते, right? That's why we are expecting around 10 to 12. So if you want to enroll for this combat test series program for CAPF 2020, you can enroll yourself at 7710548960. That is DCA official number. Hope it can help you, and we are working upon the test papers. Thank you. All the best.